Here is an opportunity to secure 2.67 acres of land in Jamaica's Garden Parish. The property is located close to the main road, allowing for convenient access. It is approximately 3 minutes' drive from the bustling town center of Alexandria, which offers everyday conveniences, educational institutions, including a high school and a hospital. There are no restrictions noted on the title, potentially providing flexibility for residential development, commercial use, agricultural use, or long-term investment. The lot also features an existing water tank, adding practical value. The property is offered at 15 million Jamaican dollars. Price to sell. Call 876-447-9015 to make an offer today. Like, subscribe, and share this video with family and friends.